Morning to you. What's our Thursday shaping up to look like?
Well, our Thursday, it's shaping up to look nice out there. We're still going to continue to see some of those warmer temperatures across the Gulf Coast. But heading into next week, that's when we have cold air on the way. So I actually made this view just a little bit bigger. Since we typically just look at the southeast, you can start to see some of that rain in the Midwest. But look even further west, all of that snow. Yeah, that's what's going to be heading our way. Not the snow, but the cold front that's associated with that. That's what's going to be pushing in heading into early next week. That's going to be bringing in some of that cold air that we've been craving here on the Gulf Coast. So that's where it is currently. It's going to take a few days to get here, but really heading into Monday, that's when we're expecting that front to begin pushing through. Looking in just a little bit closer, however, before we get there, clear sunny skies out there. Things are calm. It looks nice. Still some clouds out there. Some of them looking a bit on the gray side. Isolated sprinkle possible, but nothing that's going to be impacting outdoor plans or even high enough chances to put on the full 7-day outlook. Now, taking a look at our temperatures currently, mid to upper 60s, lower to mid 70s as you head closer towards our coastal areas. Over the next few hours, temperatures, they're going to continue to rise. Again, we're stuck in the same pattern every single day. Staying sunny, staying dry, and temperatures continuing in the lower to mid 80s. Still above average for this time of year, but staying pleasant out there. Mid 70s by the time we get closer towards 7 o'clock. Now, taking a look closer towards our coastal areas. Again, it's a bit on the breezy side out there. This is going to be those sustained winds around 15 miles, gusts up to 20 miles per hour. But the biggest thing to notice is the east-southeast winds, right at the perfect angle to really be increasing our rip current risk. So in case you're heading out, in case you're visiting us here on the Gulf Coast, although it's warm out there, do be cautious. The rip current risks, they're still high today, tomorrow, and Saturday. That surf height around 3 to 4 feet. So again, just be cautious out there. Still some rough waves, but we'll start to see improvements hopefully by the time we get closer towards Sunday. But then we have that cold air pushing in. Now, coming up in just a little bit, I'm going to talk more about your forecast, what the rest of the week and the weekend's looking like, that cold air that's incoming just in time for Halloween, how you should be planning ahead. All that's coming up soon. Chelsea.
Sure.
I think you're right. I think we're going to have to get a picture with Tyson, so just hang on tight. But in case you are heading out for this weekend, regardless of what you do, the conditions are looking fantastic. Seeing mostly sunny skies out there on the eastern shore right now. Traffic moving smoothly on the Bayway. Temperatures right now resting in the lower to mid 70s, seeing plenty of sunshine and those dew points in the upper 60s. Now, over the next few hours, temperatures will continue to warm up, expecting more of those lower to mid 80s. Not quite like average for this time of year. Some increased cloud cover possible, but still plenty of sunshine and staying dry. Now, just an update, the drought monitor updated today, and it kind of did what we expected. That extreme level, that 4 out of 5, it's still only grown across the Gulf Coast. So just make sure that you're being cautious. Don't be burning anything outdoors, even if you have controlled fire pits. If you're grilling outside, make sure it's all completely put out. Now, in case you are making any weekend plans, the Greater Gulf State Fair is back and it kicks off tomorrow. We're going to have more coverage of that throughout Studio 10. But temperatures, these are going to be reflective of those 7 o'clock temperatures. Clear skies every single night, staying dry and staying quiet. But if you prefer colder weather for your fair forecast, just wait till next week. It's here till early November, so it's going to be fantastic for it once we start to see a cold front push in. High pressure is thriving right now over the southeast. It's influencing us, keeping us dry, but then we have a cold front begin to dip down heading into Monday. It pushes it away from us, and colder weather is on the way. Coming up in just a little bit, I'm going to talk more about that and your Halloween forecast and how things have changed. All that's coming up soon. Chelsea.